Hello and welcome to this overview of the Simplement Smart Starts. This video is intended for someone unfamiliar with the Smart Starts products line to help familiarize them with the core concepts and features. In this video we will go over some general features of the Smart Starts and briefly look at a specific Smart Start for further explanation where needed. Let's start with the general definition, which will be further explained as we go along. The Smart Starts are pre-built BI reporting packages for common functional areas in SAP, as seen on screen here. Breaking it down further, there are separate layers that contain the different pre-built components of any given Smart Start. The replicated SAP tables are handled by the Data Liberator, which is the topic of a separate video. The remaining three layers for us are, from left to right, pre-built views in a Microsoft SQL Server relational database, pre-built data models in Microsoft SSAS tabular models, and finally, pre-built BI dashboards and reports in Microsoft Power BI. These three layers can exist in any combination of on-premise or cloud architecture. We'll focus on the pre-built SQL views for a moment and what they entail. First, as already mentioned, these views, and more broadly the Smart Starts in general, depend upon SAP data which is provided by the Simplement Data Liberator. Using the unique capabilities of the Data Liberator, we generate the pre-built views with certain design principles in mind. These views are destined for consumption in SSAS tabular, and thus we separate them by schema into fact and dimension views for later use in star schema data models within SSAS. Fact views contain transactional information such as AR document values, and dimensions contain master data like company, customer, etc. There is also pre-built business logic encoded into the view layer to facilitate easier reporting and to resolve common challenges in SAP data. A quick example is the Smart Start views for accounts receivable that have out-of-the-box logic to support the ability to perform point-in-time analysis in the final Power BI report. The SSAS tabular layer further builds upon the foundation established by the Smart Start SQL views. With those pre-built views in place, we generate pre-built SSAS tabular models using said views to enable end-user reporting in Power BI. These models contain fact and dimension views from the previous layer assembled in the standard star schema design that SSAS employs. There is additional business logic built into the models where needed. Using AR as an example again, there is further logic to leverage the point-in-time analysis that was set up in the previous view layer. Importantly, the SSAS models contain all the KPIs, measures, and calculations that feed the reports and dashboards in Power BI. This brings us to the last layer and the one most people will interact with, the reports and dashboards in Power BI. Every Smart Start comes with pre-built reports and dashboards that leverage all of the features and logic in the previous layers displayed in a modern Power BI reporting package. The reports are designed to give users an immediate jump start using modern tools and interfaces for a superior SAP BI experience. Continuing with AR as an example, we can see the point-in-time analysis feature we mentioned in the previous layers in action as a user is able to change the time period with nothing more than a mouse click. Leveraging Power BI, these very same reports and dashboards are also designed for a fully supported mobile viewing experience on phone and tablet devices, as seen here. Thank you for watching this introduction to the Smart Starts. For more details, please visit our website at simplement.us in your web browser of choice and contact info@simplement.us via email to see how Smart Starts can accelerate your SAP reporting.